Okay, bear with me. I just got a new phone and I hate new technology, so you're going to have to bear with me. I'm going to hate it for a month until I learn how to use it. There's just no way around it. But I wanted to give everybody an update on what the real deal is and what I'm doing. I had told you that I have an umbilical hernia that I had fixed. I've had it for 9 years. Thank you, Sophie. I mean, she's worth it, but still. But it only lasted 3 months, and then that was it. And so it's progressively gotten worse over the years. I've been really insecure about it. And I finally decided to get it refixed after Dr. Rose did such great work on other parts of me. And I trust him so much. And so I'm going in, not this Friday, but next Friday, to get that fixed. And I figure, while I'm in there, 3 kids do take a toll. So he is also going to do a little tummy tuck on me and get rid of the loose skin that I have from having 3 C-sections. And also I'm going to be 48 in, a month. April 22nd is my birthday. And yeah, I'm tired of looking at this thing. So I'm going to get it fixed, and it should be the last thing for a while. It won't be the last thing ever. So, don't think it is. It won't be. Something else, I will continue to age, but I'm trying to do it where I still do it gracefully and I still look like myself. So I'm excited about it, and I'm ready to say goodbye to this stomach that's been bothering me. So I will keep you posted, and I'm being honest about it because that's just who I am, and I know a lot of other women get insecure and suffer from things like that and maybe don't want to talk about it. So anyway, have a good day.